Before the world sees a brand, before the colors, the voice, the vision, there's an idea. An idea that deserves to be more than just seen, it deserves to be felt. From startups to legacy brands, we're the bridge between vision and visibility, from strategy to soul. Tagpo Concept help us discover who we really are and show it to the world.
Hi, thank you so much for joining us today. To start, could you please introduce yourself?
My name is Ramosilisis AJ, and my small business is called Naileret, and this is a small business for nails, and it's manicure and pedicure.
Thank you so much. First, we would like to ask what inspires you to start the business or your brand?
Nagsimula siya sa online pa lang, yung nagti-TikTok ako. Marami ako nakitang nails doon, and na-inspire ako, and sinimulan ko na siya sa paggawa muna sa sarili kong nails, and then ginawa ko siya sa others, and then nagsimula na ako ng business.
Amazing. Second question is that what do you want people to feel when they interact with your brand?
I want them to feel comfortable, first of all, sa company namin, sa nails namin. Kasi ang nails namin hindi lang siya dull or like black and white. We want to make it colorful at magiging attracted. At sa unang tingin pa lang ng customer namin, maano sila, like happy and ma-enjoy nila yung environment ng pinaka-business namin.
Thank you. And what challenges or frustration you face before meeting Tagpo Concept?
First of all, yung first challenge na nahirapan ako is gaining attraction sa business ko and customers. And kasi chararat yung mismo namin, logo, and wala siya gaanong makikita. Ay, parang design na parang ma-attract yung pinaka-customers namin. And ayun yung pinaka-core namin na problem. And that's when I met Tagpo.
I see for that answer. And lastly, how was your overall experience using Tagpo Concept?
When I met Tagpo, everything changed sa business ko. And I gained more attraction sa business ko na to, small business ko na to, which is Naileret. And nag-improve yung pinaka-logo namin and yung pinaka-business namin kasi nagkaroon kami ng marami pang customization sa designs namin sa magiging nails or request ng mga namin, clients. And because of Tagpo, I'm thankful kasi so far, nag-improve 50% ang aming business.
I see. So yeah, I guess that's it for us. So thank you so much for joining us today.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us today. To start, could you please introduce your name and your business?
Hi, I'm Mark Biandakil and my business is a Kuha at Litrato.
Thank you so much. May I ask, what inspired you to start your business or your brand?
Una is na-inspire ako sa mga camera at lumaki din ako sa pamilyang mahilig sa kape. Kaya hindi ako nalayo sa kinalakihan ko. Kaya ayun, Kuha at Litrato ang mas napili kong business.
Thank you so much for that answer. And second, what do you want to feel or what do you want for the people to feel when they interact or they see your brand?
Una is yung ma-feel nila na nasa isang place sila kung saan saan yung lugar na yon is isang matahimik at safe place para sa kanila, para lalo na sa mga creative student at mga taong gusto gumawa ng mga safe place nila, lalo na sa pag-e-edit, pagkuha ng litrato, at sa mga gandang memorya na pwede nilang pagtambayan.
Thank you. And third question is, what challenges or frustration you face before meeting Tagpo Concept?
Una is yung kulang kami sa mga tao para sa pag-aasikaso ng photos, yung pagkuha ng mga pictures ng bawat tao na gusto pumunta, and yung mga barista namin na mahilig magtimpla ng kape dahil wala akong gaanong mga kakilala o ka-close na mga taong mahilig sa kape.
And lastly, how was your overall experience with Tagpo Concept?
Siyempre, nakakatuwa dahil laking tulong sila sa pag-grow ng isang business katulad na lang ng sa amin dahil mas napapadali yung gawain namin dahil ayun nga, tulong-tulong na yung mga tao at masaya kami dahil nakabuo kami ng isang pamilyang hindi man magkakadugo pero masaya.
Because good design doesn't just look good. It connects, it communicates, and it lasts.
Hello, I am Resume Valispin, one of the co-founders of Tagpo Concepts. I am a 2D and 3D animator.
Hello everyone, I am Aline Rubio. I am the graphic and brand designer of Tagpo.
Hi, I'm Krishna Angela Papa. I'm 23 years old and one of the graphic designer of Tagpo Concepts.
Hello, I'm Harvey Neto. I'm 21. I'm a co-founder, creative director, and visual designer of Tagpo Concepts.
Hi, good day. My name is Russell Generera, 22 years old. I'm also one of the co-founders of Tagpo Concept, and I'm one of the producer and also the art director.
We are the Tagpo Concepts, and together we create.